This is full wave bridge rectifier circuit. So as a rectifier circuit contains transformer, then diodes, resistance, and in case of a filter we are using here capacitors. So this is the transformer. Here its main voltage supply is of 230 volts. It is in AC and its frequency is of 50 hertz. So this is the primary coil, this is the secondary coil, and it is stepped down to 9 volts. So whatever input we are having here, it is stepped down to 9 volt. We can measure these. By using this digital multimeter we can measure these. Okay, here, so the voltage here in the second coil, it is a 9 volt. Okay, so it contains these 4 diodes. These are the 4 diodes in this bridge rectifier circuit. These are the 2 capacitors. We are using them for filtering purpose. So this first capacitor, this is of a 10 microfarad. Its capacitance is a 10 microfarad, and here this big one, its capacitance is 1000 microfarad, and this is the output of this circuit. Here we are using 2 resistor. This is a constant resistor of 100 ohm, and this is the load resistance that we are using here. Okay, so we are using this digital multimeter to measure the voltage, and for measuring current flowing through it we are going to use this another digital multimeter. Okay, right now the current flowing through it is 3 milliampere. Okay, so this is the voltage, this is the DC voltage. Okay, so here this is the DC voltage. This DC voltage after rectification, this is the DC voltage that we are going at this output, and current flowing through it is 3.1. Now this 9 volt, to observe the signal on the CRO, we have given this input signal to this CRO. So this is 9 volts sine wave signal. Okay, so after, so this is before rectification, and after rectification so these are the, this is the DC output after rectification, as this is pulsating. The output of the rectification without filter is a DC. It is pulsating DC. So they are not used for a practical purpose. Therefore we use this filter. Therefore we use this capacitor as a filter. Okay, so first we are going to use this 10 So first we are going to use this 10 microfarad capacitor. So this kind of a signals we get on the CRO. So this is, so this point here, this capacitor is charging here and it is discharging here. So this is the case when we are using 10 microfarad capacitor. Now when we are using here 1000 microfarad capacitor, so this kind of a signal is generated on this CRO. So here our input is this AC signal as we saw on this CRO. So our DC input was like this without filter. So after filter, this is the charging curve and this is the discharging curve. Okay, after applying filter, so we are using here capacitor as a filter, and now we are getting this type of a signal on this CRO. Here in this case, the voltage of this capacitor, it is much greater than the voltage of this DC output signal. Okay, this output signal. So here capacitor is almost continually charged. It is not getting entirely discharged, it is slightly discharging. So this kind of a signal we are getting on this CRO. So for now we are going to measure this current flowing through the current flowing in this bridge rectifier and the voltage. Okay, so here when we are using this 10 microampere capacitor, 10 microfarad capacitor as a filter, so in that case here current flowing through it is a 8.2 microampere and the voltage across this and voltage is a 9.3 volts. And when we are using this 1000 microfarad capacitor, when we are using these, so in that case here the current flowing through it is 9.7 milliampere and voltage across it is 11 volts. Okay.